And now, with the Only in America Minute, here's your host, Bill Cochran.
Seems like when you make a lot of money with a company, you can kind of do anything you feel like doing. You see, Google has designed a car that doesn't need a driver. Now, this is a dream that probably most Americans have been thinking of for many years. You with your muscle cars, you with your new Cadillac, you with your new Mercedes. If you want to buy a car for your wife this Mother's Day, you can get her one maybe next year with no driver. She won't need anybody to take her down to the mall. I don't know how they're going to park the cars, but I do know that Google is way ahead of their time, much more ahead than NASA. SpaceX was late to the space station last week, late with supplies for our astronauts. But they did get them up there, little SpaceX. SpaceX, a small company, is being blamed for being late. I think NASA's a little late. I really think that depending on the Russians to bring back our astronauts up in the International Space Station is a travesty. I don't understand why Congress doesn't write a new law just to get them back down here where they're safe on American soil. Seems like the only ones getting along between the Russians and the Americans today are in outer space. These two astronauts, these heroes that we have up there in the space station. What happened? What would John Kennedy say? What would anybody say? Why is this happening in America, the greatest country in the world? Why is this happening? Bring those astronauts home.com. Let's get them back, Google.
The Only in America Minute, weekdays at 9 and noon. And don't forget the Bill Cochran Show, Fridays at 6 p.m.